welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to full screen your music on Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Once you sign in, on your screen you can see three options at the bottom: home, search and your library. You can play music from home, search or your library. I'm gonna play a music from my library. I'm gonna select a music, then it's gonna start playing. Now to make it full screen, all I have to do is select the selected music from the bottom and it's gonna expand into full screen. To expand the lyrics, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the arrows that are facing against each other, and it's gonna full screen the lyrics on your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you full screen your music on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.